Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to multiply a column by a number in Excel. Open your Excel document to see the data and the number with which it will be multiplied. After this, right-click on the cell with the number to be multiplied and select Copy. When you do this, select the entire column where the other numbers will be, right-click and in Paste Special click again on Paste Special. Here, check the box Multiply. The moment you click OK, all numbers will automatically be multiplied by this value. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.